brilliant jerk chicken, absolutely delicious.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be talking about Caribbean food, Jamaican food, jerk, vegan of course, and patties. So that's going to be really exciting. If you're down with your Jamaican flavors, we have got you covered with these BOSH books. Here we have a jerk jackfruit and plantain pizza. That is absolutely banging. That's in BOSH book number 1 if you've got that. Also in BOSH book number 2 we've got our Notting Hill patties. They're incredible, you have to try them. Massive shout out to all of you street food vendors. You hustle hard. We know you hustle hard, it's why we want to support you. Surely the number 1 goal for a street food vendor is to get a shop or a restaurant. In fact, we're looking for a premises ourselves, not for a restaurant, but for somewhere that we can shoot. Because we make videos every single day, as you know. Behind me is a vacant unit in Chiswick. Maybe that'll be the one we go for. If you know anywhere great that we could shoot in Chiswick, let us know down below. Anyway, enough about property. Let's go taste some amazing vegan food with Ian.
We're here in East London, round the back of the Truman Brewery, because tonight is vegan nights. And we're hearing good things about a certain trader called Renes Kitchen. Now, Renes Kitchen, by all accounts, does some of the best Caribbean vegan street food that is available anywhere. So we're gonna go and check it out and see if it's worth the hype. Let's do this. So guys, I'm here with the lovely Renee, and tell the guys what you do.
So Rene's Kitchen is Caribbean inspired vegan food using the same traditional flavours from the Caribbean, but everything's vegan and cruelty free.
Where specifically in the Caribbean?
So Jamaica,
yeah.
That's where my parents are from, and that's the flavours and inspiration, although I do have a roti which is Trinidadian influence.
Right.
But mainly everything's Jamaican.
Very good indeed. So Henry and I, we used to go to Carnival every single year.
Amazing.
And we actually put a Notting Hill patty in our second cookbook.
I saw it.
So we're not here to talk about patties, we are here to talk about your signature dish.
Sure.
What is your signature dish?
So it is the Mama's Jerk, which is what I've named it, and it's a secret homemade recipe that my mum's been making for years, and it's made with a fake vegan chicken with the same seasonings that you would use in the Caribbean, but just the meat replacement is changed and we're now using vegan meat.
Nice. So when it comes to jerk, I know what it is, but the people at home might not actually know what jerk means. They've probably heard the word, so do you want to give like a basic overview of what jerk is?
Jerk is just the seasoning made up of thyme, pimento, allspice, scotch bonnet, onion, garlic, and we just blend it and then add a few other secret spices to it, and we basically use it all the time.
So we've got the Mama's famous jerk chicken, which I'm really looking forward to try. That's plantain, yeah?
Yeah, plantain.
So plantain is like banana's big brother, and it is delicious. Right then, Mama's jerk chicken, let's see what's happening. Oh my god. So what kind of a chicken is that?
So that's a soy-based chicken,
yeah,
which I've fried and then marinated and added the jerk sauce after.
Yeah man, the jerk sauce is really nice. It's got a sweetness to it, it's got a tang to it, it's got a good level of spice, but a spice that you can deal with. Have you got any top tips for making wonderful Caribbean food? For someone who maybe doesn't cook all that often.
Okay, so I get a lot of comments about the rice, and when it's cooking it's really fragrant. I would say, like, first of all, wash it properly so that it's not starchy, so that takes away the starch, and then season it really well with thyme, spring onion, salt. I add a little hot pepper sauce, coconut milk, and then it just makes it really fragrant and delicious.
If you ever see the logo, Renes Kitchen, and you fancy some jerk, go, because it's absolutely delicious. Renee, you're a G.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, look to meet you too. So the sun is shining here in London town, there's palm trees, and I've got Caribbean food. Could life get much better? No, not really. Guys, if you ever get to see Renee, go and see her. She's amazing. Fantastic food, brilliant jerk chicken, absolutely delicious. And if you're enjoying these vlogs, please subscribe to the channel and let us know what you think about them in the comments below. In fact, if you have any cooking tips specifically to do with Caribbean food, let us know down below, because we've got to share this knowledge with the people. Also, our brand new book, How to Live Vegan, is coming out very soon and is available to pre-order right now. The link's below. So, from Henry and myself, bish, bash, bosh.